Hello everyone and welcome to another video. Today we are taking a look at a special pair of headphones that surprised me in multiple ways. These are the Soundcore AeroFit 2. Enjoy! Open-ear headphones are all the rage these days, with prices ranging from budget-friendly models under 50 euros to premium options over 200 euros. The new Soundcore AeroFit 2s fall somewhere in the middle, priced around 130 euros. These are actually my first pair of open-ear headphones, and I decided to try them to see what all the hype was about. In other words, this video is not sponsored, and I bought the headphones with my own money. For 130 euros you get a well-built, though admittedly quite large case, featuring a USB-C port and wireless charging capabilities. There's also a stylish LED strip on the front, giving the case a premium look. The headphones fit snugly inside and are held in place by strong magnets. My only real complaint so far is the case size. It's larger than I'd like, but considering the earbud's shape, this might be the best design Anker could manage. The headphones feature a rounded, almost organic design that fits comfortably around most ears. A significant advantage is that the earhooks are adjustable, allowing you to customize the fit to your needs. I'm happy to report that these are some of the most comfortable headphones I've ever tested, and I'm more than willing to wear them for several hours at a time. The standout feature of open-ear headphones is their unique design that skips the typical ear tips that seal the ear canal. Instead, the 20mm drivers sit just in front of your ear canal, providing significantly better awareness of your surroundings. That said, this design does come with a couple of drawbacks. First, it results in a less immersive listening experience, but we will talk about that later. Second, these headphones have noticeable sound bleed, meaning that on higher volumes, your seat neighbor on the bus will be able to listen alongside with you, if you know what I mean. The battery life is impressive. The headphones give you about 10 hours of playback on a single charge, with an additional 3 charges available from the case, for a total of over 40 hours of playtime, more than enough for most users. They come with an IP55 rating, meaning they offer moderate protection against water, sweat, and dust. However, they're not particularly rugged, so a little caution goes a long way. It's especially worth being mindful of the battery contacts to keep everything working smoothly. The headphones come with fairly sensitive touch controls, and with the free Soundcore app you can customize each side individually in impressive detail. Pausing, skipping, rewinding, adjusting volume, just about any function you could want is customizable. The app also includes an equalizer with several presets to experiment with. Thanks to the headphones' excellent comfort, I wanted to see if they work well for watching movies and TV shows. And fortunately, there are no significant latency issues. If you do experience any noticeable lag with your device, there's a dedicated gaming mode in the Soundcore app to further reduce latency, though in my testing, I never needed it. I know, you're eager to hear what they sound like, but here's where things get a little complicated due to their unique design. Personally, I think they sound good, but there are certain limitations that could make or break this purchase for you. These headphones, let's say, lack some clarity, largely because of the space between your ear and the drivers. The bass also doesn't have the punch you would get from traditional in-ear models. If I were to press these headphones directly against my ear, I'd get both improved clarity and bass. So the issue isn't from the drivers themselves, it's the open-ear design. With these, you're trading some of the immersive sound experience for comfort and spatial awareness, for situations like in traffic, for example, where these headphones really shine. I enjoy listening to music and podcasts on them if I'm not overthinking it. If you compare them directly to similarly priced in-ear headphones, sure, they may fall short, but that's just part of the trade-off. In summary, I can wholeheartedly recommend the AeroFit 2s to anyone interested in exploring the world of open-ear headphones. They're quickly becoming my favorite pair for everyday use, despite their drawbacks. However, if you're looking for headphones for critical listening or to fully immerse yourself in games, music, or movies, then these are not the right choice for you. For everyone else, they're a solid alternative to traditional in-ear headphones. But that's it on my part. If you have any questions or simply want to share your opinion, please leave a comment below. Thank you all very much for watching, and of course, have a wonderful day.